Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's project we are going to use t-shirt yarn, a scissors, a marking pen, a ruler, a needle and a cardboard. Let's start. Using your ruler, press it on your cardboard and mark 1 centimeter each apart. Now take your scissors and cut through the marks you made. Now we are going to put yarn through the marks you made. Make sure you leave 2 inches yarn from behind on both sides. We start by threading our yarn into the needle, and with your cardboard, sew it one on top and the other one bottom, going with that pattern until the end. Make sure you leave a 2-inch thread at the beginning. Make sure you are not sewing too tightly. Just observe what I am doing and do it. So easy. Here we are going to continue with our project but with a black yarn. Continue where your white yarn ended and make sure to leave a 2-inch yarn at the beginning. Continue till the end. If you need to change the color of your yarn, you can do so. For the edges, we are going to sew them at the end so that to secure them not to fray. Just do as I am doing and then cut the excess. Do this process for all the edges. Now we remove the coaster into the cardboard. Then the only thing remaining is to tie a knot. Take 2 stripes and tie them together. Make sure it's secure enough. Continue with the other strands. After you tie all the strands, lay them and cut the excess. Do this for both sides. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If you like this DIY, please hit the like button and see you next week for another DIY.